Shapes are everywhere we have found. Acute angles, small and bright. Right angles are just right. Obtuse angles, joy they go. Straight angles in one line show. Triangles have three straight sides. Square are where for equal height. Pentagon have five in all. Hexagons stand proud and tall. Polygons of every kind. Math is fun for all to find. Angles, angles all around. Shapes are everywhere we have found. Acute angles. At tapos